Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide the mail app and the mail content in the search result on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down, and from here tap on Mail. Next, tap on Siri and search. Then go to the While Searching section and choose if you want to show the app in search or not. By tapping on Show App in Search, tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. The next feature is Show Content in Search, so tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. This will allow Mail the app and this content to appear in search. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.